Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm so excited you're here today because we've got another great word to explore. Our word of the day is as. It's an A2 level word and it's an adverb that means to the same degree or extent. Let's dive in and get to know this word a little better. The word as is incredibly versatile and often appears in comparisons to show equality. For example, you might say, she runs as fast as her brother, meaning they run at the same speed. It's also useful when describing how something happens, like, I cleaned the kitchen as you asked, which shows you followed instructions. Some common synonyms for as include equally, similarly, and just as. Let's see them in action. The two cakes are equally delicious, or she works similarly hard in the evenings. Another example could be, the movie was just as entertaining as the book. Now, let's look at a few antonyms, which include words like differently and unequally. For instance, you could say, he sings differently from his teacher, or the work was divided unequally between the two teams. In everyday life, you'll find as in all kinds of expressions and comparisons. For example, it's not as cold today as it was yesterday, or he's as tall as his father. You might also hear phrases like, as soon as possible, which means doing something immediately, or as far as I know, when you're sharing information to the best of your knowledge. Here are a few more sentences using as, this book is just as interesting as the last one. He's not driving as carefully as he should, and we need to leave early as there might be traffic. To wrap up, today we learned that as is a handy little word that helps us compare things, describe actions, and add clarity to what we're saying. I encourage you to think about how you use as in your daily conversations and try to include it in your sentences. Thanks so much for tuning in to Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others find the show. I'd love to hear how you use as in a sentence, so leave a comment or share your example with us. Until next time, keep learning and having fun with words.
See you soon.